Chapter 8. Know more about Python. In Python, functions play a very important role. Dividing a program into a function is one of the major principles of top-down structured programming. Every value we use in Python is an object and has a specific data type. In this chapter, we will learn about the functions and standard data types such as list, tuple, and string. Functions. Python function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. We can pass data, known as parameters, into a function. A function can return data as a result. There are many advantages of Python functions. Let's know about them. By using the functions, we can avoid the repeating of the same code block. Once the function has been defined, it can be called many times and from anywhere. By using the function, program can be easily modularized. By using the function, we can return as many outputs as we want with different arguments. Syntax. Def function underscore name parameters. Hash body of the function return expression. Elements of functions. The beginning of a function header starts with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. We pass arguments to the defined function using parameters. The function header is terminated by a colon. The body of the function is made up of several valid Python statements. The indentation depth of the whole code block must be the same. We can use a return expression to return a value from a defined function. Creating function. In Python, a function is created by using the def keyword. Example, def welcome bracket colon print welcome for using me. Calling a function. In Python, to call a function, use the function name followed by parentheses. Example, def welcome bracket colon print welcome for using me welcome bracket. Program. To find the square of a number and print the result. Output of the program. Defining and calling a function with parameters. The parameter contains the types and names of the arguments that must be passed to the function. Syntax. Def function underscore name parameter colon data underscore type. Hash body of the function return expression. Program. To calculate the addition of two numbers and print the result. Output of the program. Program. To find the even or odd numbers. Output of the program. Predefined functions. These functions are already defined in the system libraries. By using the predefined functions, programmer can reuse the already preset code in the system libraries to write error-free code. But to use the library functions, user must be aware of syntax of the function. There are many predefined functions in Python library. Here, we will know about the sum of them. Bin bracket. This function converts an integer number to a binary string. Hex. This function converts an integer number of any size to a hexadecimal string. Oct bracket. This function converts an integer number of any size to an octal string. Ord bracket. This function converts an integer representing the Unicode of the specified field. Chr bracket. This function returns the character from the specified Unicode code. Int bracket. This function converts a string or number to a plain integer. Float bracket. This function converts a string or a number to floating point. Str bracket. This function returns a string of an object. Len bracket. This function returns the length, the number of items of an object. The argument may be a sequence, string, tuple, or list, or a mapping dictionary. Pow xy. This function returns the value of x to the power of y. Range bracket. This function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and increment by 1 by default. Sorted bracket. This function returns a sorted list. Spilt bracket. This function converts a string in a list whose all elements are the words of string, splits according to space. List bracket. This function returns a list. Tuple bracket. This function returns a tuple.